All right. It says, in my givens, that B is the midpoint of both AE and BC. So there's a midpoint for that segment and for that segment. It then says, I'm going to prove these two triangles are congruent. Remember, the goal here is to be able to at least follow the proof, and then later on be able to perhaps fill in the reasons. Not so much to do it from scratch on your own. So we always start off with the givens. I'm going to write them separately. B is the midpoint of AE, and B is the midpoint of CD. Given. Now, for what we talked about, what should jump to the top of my head when I see the word midpoint? Bisector. Okay. What else? Oh, oops. CD. What else should jump to mind when I see the word bisector? We've got our bisector or midpoint. What do I know about CD, or rather AE, if I tell you B is the midpoint and the bisector? AB plus what? Okay. What's that, Skylar?
AB is congruent to BE.
Okay. It cuts into two equal parts.
And then BD is BE.
Definition of midpoint. And by similar notion, CB is congruent to BD. So I just said that this guy equals this guy equals this guy. No. Now the order is not really that particular at this point. It's only when I write the congruency statement do I have to get the order right. Well, I've got two facts. I need one more if I'm going to say these two triangles are congruent by either of the two rules I've used, or I need to have four more facts if I'm going to use a definition. That's a lot of facts. Let's just small number of facts. Do I have a third fact that's true between these two triangles here? What congruent angle? See? So you're thinking maybe these guys?
No, SAS.
I would use SAS once I've established those two. Why are those two angles congruent? Vertical angles. Angle ABD is congruent to angle CBD because they're vertical. And that's now enough that I can CBE.
You should do like a detection make a mistake.
We'll think about that. What's up?
Isn't AB congruent to CE by that third?
No. There's no third side theorem. There's a third angle theorem, but not for sides.
Oh.
Now I can go ahead and say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE by side, angle, side. So I look at my picture. I've got two pairs of sides. So there's my S and my S, these S's. And then the angle is between them. Well, that's actually kind of significant because you're going to get confused when we start doing this tomorrow. We add another one in here, which is angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. Those are on tomorrow's list of things to accomplish. What can we talk to you about? I talked to you guys about with this proof.